Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 41 Bank Street. This 2-bedroom mid-terrace property is located very close to King's Heath High Street and is for sale with no onward chain. And now here we are inside the property, so we're straight into reception room 1 here with a window to the front aspect. Storage heater there in the corner. And then moving through to the second reception room, we've got the understairs storage cupboard here on the left hand side. And window to the rear aspect in the corner. And we also have the door to the stairs leading up to the first floor from this room here as well. And continuing through to the kitchen, and we've got a door leading outside to the rear garden. Space and plumbing for a washing machine and cooker in here. And then we also have the ground floor shower room with WC, wash basin and fully tiled shower cubicle with an electric shower. There is also the bathroom up on the first floor. Okay, and then up onto the first floor landing, and we have 2 bedrooms and bathroom on this floor. Starting with bedroom 1 here at the front of the property. And we can just see the overstairs storage cupboard in the corner. Through to bedroom 2. Just on the landing here we can see the loft access point. And then finally through to the bathroom, got the storage heater here, pedestal wash basin, WC and bath with an electric shower above. And then in the corner there's also a cupboard housing the hot water cylinder. And then heading out into the rear garden, we've got the paved pathway leading through to the fenced and flagged section here where we have gated access, which leads back around to the front of the property on Bank Street. And that concludes the online viewing for the property. If you'd like any further information, then do give us a call and we look forward to talking to you very soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.